Yo, what's up, you guys? Barry K. Brown here, the killer poet. And today I have another question I want to answer for you guys. This question didn't come to me from Quora. This question came to me from Facebook. Uh, I'm friends with a person named Courage Arenzi. So I think that's how you say that person's name. I don't. But yeah, Courage Arenzi. So, Courage, if you see this, thank you for the question. I'm going to answer it for you again here. And the question was, what was your inspiration to become a copywriter? Great. So, awesome question. My inspiration to become a copywriter, uh, I think I'm unique among copywriters in the fact that I came to copywriting from writing, from like regular writing, from like creative writing. I came to copywriting from creative writing. Um, yeah, like most people come to copywriting because they either see it as a work opportunity or uh, a means for them to create an income for themselves. They see it as an income generating skill that's worth learning. Like that's how most people come to it. Or they already have a business and they want to use copywriting in their marketing to like ramp up their marketing efforts, right? So most people that you see in copywriting come to copywriting from those two angles, right? It's either we're trying to make money by having the skill and selling it and using it to sell, and we're trying to grow our business by developing the skill and hiring people who have the skill. So me, I came through it from, of course, I want to get money, but most people who want to get money are not like, they're not writers. I mean, of course, writers want to get money, but like, that's like a wide range of people, right, who want to make money, and most of them who come across copywriting are not writers. So I think I'm unique in that way, and here's how it helped, right? So it helped me on my journey in that I I had like a really strong grasp of the English language already. It's my native tongue, first of all, and I spent a lot of time crafting my ability to write, to create messages already. I already spent a lot of time doing that. So, um, like writing powerful and strong sentences wasn't new to me, right? It was just a matter of putting them in a selling context, applying that skill in the selling context, right? So that's where it helps. Like I write strong copy. Like I from the beginning, I've written strong copy from the beginning, right? You'll be hard pressed to find someone call my copy weak, even from the beginning. Even when I had, and I've only gotten better, right? But yeah, I never really had weak copy from the beginning because my writing skills are already so strong. Here, and it hurt me. I think it hurt me in the fact that um, because I was a writer, I already had an expectation of what a writer's life is, right? Like, because you read about what the lives of most writers actually had been, like your favorite novelists, playwrights, and poets and stuff like that. And most of those people are like they're flawed individuals, and they live like regular, quiet jobs, and they have like these problems, and they may or may not have money to resolve them, right? So they're kind of just like regular, everyday, fucked up people. And then you have that cliche of the starving artist. And when you think of a starving artist, like a lot of the times you think of a writer, just alone in his room trying to make something happen, right? So, like, I think it had like a mindset thing for me, is that like because copywriting was a way for me to make money as a writer, right? I still brought that baggage of you know writers with money problems, Right? I had that image, and I brought that with me along my journey, and I'm learning to let that go. But that's how it hurt me. So yeah, I came into writing because I came into copywriting because I've always been writing, right? You know, I've been writing poems since elementary school. I've been writing short stories here and there. I haven't really written a short story in a while, but I started that at elementary school too. But poems is the one thing I kept going all the way, like from fifth grade all the way to today, right? I write poems. And when I was about 20, 21, 22, 23, like the early half of my 20s, I was performing at open mic shows in South Carolina and the Baltimore area. And one day while I was doing that, performing at an open mic, because the shows were free, right? Like you would, at some shows you would even pay to get on stage, but the shows I was doing, like it was it was free to get on stage, but like you didn't get paid for your performance. And I thought like, hey, how can I get paid for my performance? Not my performance, but how can I get paid as a writer, right? Even if I don't get paid for my performance, right? Because I don't really care about being paid for the performance as long as I get paid for the work, the published work. So I did a quick Google search. This is like in 2013, I believe I did this Google search. How to get paid as a writer. I think that was the exact search. How to get paid as a writer. And I came across the AWAI page. I read their sales letter. Can you write a letter like this one? The answer for me was a resounding yes. And I decided that everything in that sales letter, all the perks of being a writer that they mentioned, I want those. And so I set out to get them, and I've achieved most of them. So, yeah. Courage, I hope that answers your question. If you are inspired to become a copywriter, check the links down below. I have some opportunities for you that you might want to take advantage of that'll teach you the skills that you first need. Like, it'll teach you the skills of writing copy, and then I have another resource for you that'll help you apply those skills in a context that'll get you hired. So, thank you for watching. This is Barricade Brown, the Killer Poet. I hope you have a great day. Peace.